So let's just talk about appraisals. You've gotten everything done and you're ready to move. You're starting to understand all the pieces of the process to be able to purchase your home, but the lender requires an appraisal. This is Heather Denaro, and today we're talking appraisals, helping you find your best beach life. Stay tuned. So the appraisal system was set up back when the crash and all of the economics fell apart in 2008. And basically what happened with all of that is lenders were giving money away. It didn't matter if you had the money to be able to afford it. It didn't matter if you didn't have a job or whatnot. There were just so many issues with them just basically free money, everybody gets some, right? So they put this process in place to help protect both the lender and the buyer. In order to make sure that you're paying what the contract is worth. So what I mean is they take copies of all the comps, they go around and find other houses that are comparable comps to yours, and they make sure that yours is not overvalued for what it is, right? So ultimately, if it comes in at a different price than your contract shows, then we've got some issues there. But the process is you will pay the bank. It has nothing to do with your realtor. There's absolutely nothing we can do about it. This is the one fee that isn't even available to happen after closing. So you'll pay the lender, they'll get it ordered, they'll send you the report, as ambiguous and as difficult as it is to read. Bottom line is they tend to tell you what it appraised for or that it appraised at value. And it's up to you to let me know. They do not disclose that for your protection. And that's admirable, right? So anyway, just let me know as soon as you get that appraisal in, because that's kind of an important piece of this process. And we'll just go from there. What happens if it comes in different? So if it comes in higher, what that means is you now have instant equity in your purchase. That was a good purchase. Good job. If it comes in lower than the contract price, then the bank is not going to lend you that money. So what happens is the realtors get involved. There are 1,000 different things that we can do to help kind of figure out the process from there, but it will stop your closing. So that's the last most important hurdle to jump through now that you've jumped through all the other hoops. So I hope this has cleared it up just a little bit about what are appraisals and all of that. It's never going to be clear until you're in the process, in the business for years and years, and it's still not clear. But you've got good and bad appraisers. It is still quasi-subjective, even though they're supposed to follow some basic guidelines. And so we're at their mercy, and I just try to look out for you, and I will help you through this process. So if you have any questions about it, text me, put a comment below. If you'd like to hear about any other type of process during the home buying process, then just hit me up. Let me know. My number's down below, or you can just leave a comment. If you like seeing some of these videos about the different processes, or even just living on Panama City Beach, because let's be honest, that's what most of this YouTube channel is about, then hit subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you know when there's a new video out. This has been Heather Denaro with Your Best Beach Life. Bye for now.